Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and I Fashion Queen and I am here with my another video. This video is about some foot care routine which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very nice kind of, as you see, the very beautiful nail paints. And foot care is essential for maintaining healthy, happy feet. Keeping your feet clean, moisturized, and pampered can help prevent common issues like dry skin and fungal infection. Regularly trimming toenails, wearing comfortable shoes, and practicing good hygiene and also contribute to overall foot health. By prioritizing foot care, you can enjoy comfort, confidence, and a reduced risk of foot related problems. Whether you are dealing with foot pain, trying to prevent issues, or simply wanting to indulge in some self care, taking care of your feet in a great way to invest in your overall well being. Healthy feet can make all the difference in your daily life. And from mobility and flexibility to overall comfort and happiness. And foot care encompasses a range of practice that promote healthy feet. This include keeping feet clean and dry, moisturizing to prevent dryness and cracking, and trimming toenail properly to avoid ingrown nails, and wearing well-fitting shoe and socks that also help prevent discomfort, blisters, and other issues. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next YouTube video. Bye bye.